Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create the split ice cream element effect in Canva. So I'm just going to split it like this way, for instance, and I'm just going to copy and paste it, and I'm just going to make this smaller here, but I'm just going to make this bigger. And I'm just going to place it here where the ice cream is. Copy and paste it because we'll need this pink here. Select the circle frame, so just like search up circle frames here and place that pink there. I'm just going to kind of make an oval here. Don't worry about it being weird, I'll fix that later. And just create like an oval here. Then you're going to double click on it and you're only going to take the pink part of the ice cream like that to kind of create that space there, and also you're going to put that on the cone. Go to text and add in text. I'm just going to type in milk. You can type in anything you want, of course. And I'm also going to change the font as well. Going to make it bigger. And I'm going to rotate it again here, and I'm going to select this white text. Copy and paste. Go to effects and select hollow. And I'm just going to right click. I'm going to select layers, and I'm going to select show layers, and I'm going to bring this one at the bottom like so. And once you're done, I'm just going to go to elements and I'm going to search strawberry milk. Go to graphics and select like this kind of graphic or element or whatever. I'm just going to place it behind the text as well as the rest of the stuff. You can place it like this if you'd like to, but that kind of covers up the ice cream. If you want, let me just copy and paste the ice cream once more. Yeah, I'm just gonna lock this in place. And then on the ice cream, copy and paste it on top if you'd like to, but this will be at the bottom. So I suggest just placing the milk behind everything else like that. And that is it. Now you have a really cool edit on Canva. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!